Thank you for calling technical support. How can I help you?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey there, I got this message on my computer saying to call this number. It said that I
When
had
did you got this?
it said that I had a virus or something. Something like that.
Okay, can you please read the message what is on the screen right now?
Well, I can't remember exactly the message, but I had to close Google Chrome because I have to call with Google Chrome because I don't have a phone. But what I can remember is that the sound was really loud on it, like an error sound or something like that. And it had an automated voice saying that I needed to call you guys immediately.
Okay. So you are looking for support. Is
Yes,
that right?
yes, please. I need to get this off my computer, please.
Okay. So you told me that you have already closed it, right?
Yeah, that's because I had to call with Google Chrome and it wasn't letting me call.
You call Google Chrome?
Yeah, I called Google Chrome and I
Okay.
tried to get them to fix it, but they wouldn't. So I just called the number that it said to call.
I don't know why you are dialing this number. This is not a computer support, you know.
What support are you though?
Well, this is something different.
What is it though?
It is a different support. It is not a computer support.
Listen here,
It is
you
a
mother
different
yar.
support.
I'm going to shove a pencil down your butthole if you do not fucking help me, right?
Brrr, brr, brr.
What?
Meh.
Are you making fun of the way I speak, right? No, my name is Rakesh Gupta. I'm going to fucking hurt you badly.
Meh. Meh.
Do not
It's
fucking
a
make fun
farm.
of
It's
me,
a
right?
farm. We have a
Oh,
sheep farm. We have a sheep farm.
you're not a state farm. You're a
Okay, we have
state
a farm.
fucking goat fucker.
Meow. It's a sheep farm. Okay.
You're not a
Don't
state
call this.
farm.
It is
You guys are
It's a
state
cowboy house.
fucking goats.
This is a
Okay,
cowboy house. Why are you calling me? Why are you bothering me? This is a cowboy house, huh?
Cowboy house. What is that? Cowboy. Cowboy house. What the fuck? Cowboy house.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, you motherfucker. Why the fuck did you hang up on me, you mother bitch? You mother chode, bitch, motherfucker.
What are you talking about? What are
What?
you talking about? We don't know anything about.
I
What?
thought you were the cowboy house, right? As soon as I fucking start the call, I fucking whatever the hell this is goes off and it interrupts the video. This video's going great. Okay, let's call him back. I'm going to do my Russian voice now.
Tung 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 tung
Hello?
tung. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
hello.
Yes.
Who is this? I
Who
got
want to talk to? Do you want to talk?
what happening?
To whom? To whom you want to talk?
I got message on my computer saying that I had the virus or something like that, and I wanted
So
to
what
call
shall
you.
I do? What
What?
shall I do? What shall I do? This is not a computer support. This is
Listen
personal
here, you
line.
motherfucker. You are a computer support. I got your number like that, okay? I got it from YouTuber.com, and that website provides all the scammer numbers you can get, okay?
Okay.
So, is it true that you are scamming, motherfucker? Right?
No.
Yes, it
This is
is.
personal number. Why
You
are you dialing
benchor.
personal number? And why are you yelling at me? I'm gonna, I put a harassment case. You are calling again and again on the same line.
Yes, but you
Don't
cannot
call us
track me because
again.
I'm calling with Google Hangout, right?
Get the hell out of it here.
I'm not going to get the hell out of there. Get the hell out of there. I love this number, dude. Is it just one guy, or are they just gonna keep answering me? Like,
Hello?
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 Hey there, is this a cowboy house?
This is, yes, this is Cowboy House, right?
Okay, well, I was wondering if I could, buy a horse or something.
No, the Cowboy unfortunately don't sell horse at the moment. We sell ships.
What are ships?
You want ships? Bah!
What?
Wait, my ship is coming here. My ship is coming near to me. Wait. Hey, get out.
What is a
Meh.
ship? Hey, put him on. Whoever is coming, put him on, right? You motherfucker, you better answer.
720. Block कर दो. 720.
Okay, 720, I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
I got it. I'm Pakoda and I'm chili pox, man.
I'm
What
trying to
are
speak
you
Hindi
talking
to you.
about? Are you
All I
crazy
do is
about it?
chod, mara, chod, and chotia. You know, like you're all of them. Chodi maki chod, but I have no idea what that means. Can you please do the instrumentation? You motherfucker! Did you just interrupt Racky? Did you just interrupt me?
I'm having fever.
No, my God! You need to get better, man. You need to stop scamming. You need to get better.
I'm feeling sleepy, man.
Now you are having orgasm. Okay. I need to stop you, right?
You won't be able to call us anymore. I'm gonna block you. Get
You
out.
cannot even block my number because it's private.
is it private on Google Hangouts? I have no idea.